Hi, and welcome to the Shop Holiday Content Kit. This content kit is designed to make it so much easier and so much more effective for you to harness the power of email marketing with your product-based business this holiday season. If we haven't met before, my name's Shelly. I'm the owner of an e-commerce design studio called Launch Party, and I'm also the creator of Shop School, which is an online course designed to help you build and launch your own Shopify store. Email marketing is huge for product-based businesses. It is not going away anytime soon, and it is the top referring for sales marketing channel out there still. Now let's talk more about the Shop Holiday Content Kit. First, who is it for? It's for product-based businesses, and you can be on Shopify, you could be on Etsy, you could be on WordPress. It is not dependent on what platform you sell on, but you do need to sell online. You also need to have a product that you want to sell more of during the holidays and related to the holidays. So that doesn't mean that you have a actual holiday product. If you do, awesome. But if you sell jewelry or clothing or something that tends to sell more over the holiday season, then this is perfect for you. You can be at any point in your email list journey. So whether you have not started, you haven't signed up for an email newsletter platform, or you have tons of subscribers and are already utilizing email marketing, but you don't have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaign, which entails months of emails, and you want templates for that. So the recap of who this is for is you're a product-based business, you want to sell more online over the holiday season, doesn't matter where you sell, and you want to use email marketing to do that. So it doesn't matter if you are starting from zero with an email list or 10,000 subscribers. Inside the kit, you will find a calendar to plan out your promotional emails that are all attached to templates. So the first step is you're planning out your promotional calendar and figuring out how many emails you want to send in the lead up to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So we're always talking about this big event of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but there is so much that is happening before, and there's lots of sales that you can make in between now and then as well. The beauty of email marketing is that even if someone doesn't buy on a particular email of yours, you are still nurturing that relationship. You're reminding them that you're there and priming them to buy in the future. So the template library includes general promotional emails that link to your products but don't involve an actual discount or a promo code or anything like that. Then there's a second half of the template library that does include promotions if you want to use that as part of your strategy. But I don't want you to think this template library is all 50% off emails. They're half learn about your product, educational, connect with your audience, and then have some kind of promo, and definitely thinking outside of the box of a big discount. So as soon as you get the kit, you can schedule out your emails that you want to send, go to the template library, fill in the blank, and just pop those into your email marketing platform, whatever platform you use, and start scheduling out all of those amazing emails to send to your list. The content kit is designed to take all of that guesswork out of what you are going to send and make the most out of this holiday season with your email marketing. Hope to see you inside.